Hello friends. Hello friends. Welcome to the third video of today. It's gonna be another eating out. Today Jamie brought me to this local Lok street. It's my first time here and there is so many choices. So back there we got some dumplings, some asam laksa, which I have right here. Oh, look at that. Of course you cannot compare to Penang asam laksa, but it's pretty good. I just tried a bite. And then I also ordered some char kway teow over there. Yes, by the way, what is that called? For you guys, this place is... Oh, I gotta pay real quick. Can you hold this, dear?
Okay.
You can say stuff if you like. How much? Berapa? 7? Thank you. Oh, hello. Welcome back. That was 7 ringgit for my char kway teow. Oh, it looks pretty good. I've never had it before, but I see some shrimp in here and some eggs, some bean sprouts. Yeah, my first time eating at this low-look place. There's also actual local stores, but we're just getting the stuff that we like. And then I also got over here some chicken soup. Looks pretty good. They actually have legit chicken in here, as well as curry pork. I love curry, so whenever I see curry outside, I tend to order it. But let me try some of this char kway teow. Wow, that looks good. Wow, hot.
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 It's your favorite.
So hot. I am burning.
Burning.
Wow, that's really good. Super flavorful. The noodles are also very chewy. They're not as thick as I like, but it's definitely got a kick in it, a little bit spicy. And you can just taste a lot of different ingredients. It's not just noodles. They are very generous with everything. Look at all the stuff inside. Wow. Delicious. Next up, I have to try their curry. Oh, here we go. Some curry meats. Yes, I think this is ribs. So this place is definitely non-halal.
I think there's a Malay and Indian eating here too.
Yeah, there are some Indians. I'm not sure if there's Malay, but there might be some stalls where they are halal. So it depends on which one that you choose. But I just got like a little bit of everything. I also ordered some lala from like a different stall. So you can pick and choose. I want to try this curry. Not bad.
Curry.
The meat is a little too dry for me, but I like the curry taste. So maybe if I dig in deeper to the sauce, it might be a little better. Let me see. Oh yeah. If you get soaked in here, I think that should be a little better. Much better. Good, right?
Curry monster.
Yes, that hits the spot. You can call me Curry Monster anytime. I love my curry. Good choice, darling. One thing that I don't like about this place, though, I must say, is they force you to buy a drink if you want to sit down here. So we had to get a soy milk.
Because this table might be belong to
The drinks?
the very
Thanks,
stall.
Derek. This asam laksa is sour enough and spicy, and they put actual fish in there. However, Here comes my lala.
Lala Jian.
Let me get my cash real quick. Hold this here. Oh, I am all out of change.
They have it.
Yes, they have a lot of customers here. Check this baby out. They put full of eggs and lala. Not sure if there's any vegetables.
No, of course.
Spicy sauce inside? Of course?
Yes.
Why of course?
They don't have vegetable in this dish.
It looks a little bit gooey. See how that tastes.
You
I'm not
don't
quite
like
used
it?
to it. It's okay.
Because it's a little starchy.
Okay. Awa. Just taking some photos. You guys give me just a sec. Oh, 好啊。你们要在哪里拍？Oh, okay.
那信你们两个刚在一起，然后刚好也是我跟我男朋友在一起，可是我男朋友是台湾人，所以that's why I started following you guys because it's very related.
Similar.
Yeah. Right. I hope you guys 幸幸福福的。
Thank you so much. 谢谢谢谢。Bye. Oh, we met some people that watch our videos. Super friendly. I think there's this place is popping, so many different. You can find many different people here. Let me get back to this lala. I was saying, I'm not quite used to it because it's a little too soft and gooey for me.
It's a bit starchy, but the flavor is okay.
It kind of reminds me of the oyster omelets in Taiwan, but this is a little more, not as chewy. This is just kind of more gooey.
Because they have a lot of egg.
Wow. But I think if you mix it with the rice, it's pretty good. Last up, but not least, I want to try this chicken soup that we ordered. This chicken soup is nice. They put a little bit of Chinese herbs inside. It tastes healthy. A bit sweet, but from natural flavors. I like it. So yeah, this place, like I mentioned, it's very packed. It's called the Lok Lok Street. If you guys are, you can probably just Google the name, but if you're curious about the address, you can let me know down below and I can share it with you guys. And we're just gonna pig out. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Love y'all. Bye.